Yes, yes, dear students, a very good morning for today's orientation program. That is what exactly our subject is. That is fundamentals of data structure. That is FDS. It is very important subject as per the coding purpose. Okay, and the fundamental, it is a main core subject, we can say. Why it is called as core subject? Because you should clear the all the concepts of data structures and how we are going to implement it, क्योंकि every program में data structure use होता है. How we are going to use it in a high level to low level programming. Okay, मान लो आप इंडस्ट्री में भी जाओगे तो वहां पे data structure आपको आना चाहिए, otherwise you never implement the code. So for coding purpose, it is very core subject. Okay, the subject title is fundamentals of data structure, and the course subject code also important. You can say it is a course code, that is 210242. Okay, so this is the important part that you should understand this point. Okay, fine. So basically myself, Deepali Pawar, I'm from computer department as assistant professor. I am going to take the subject as a fundamentals of data structure. Dear students, I'm taking first unit here. Then after that, you can continue from second unit by Suchita Chavan ma'am. Okay. So for first unit purpose, I'm taking your course. Okay. So I hope everyone clear that. You can see my blog also. I'm going to show you all the parts here. Fine. Okay. So next one, these are the outline. Okay. These are the outline of your our today's orientation program. That is, what about the teaching scheme? What is the prerequisite course required? What are the course objective, course outcome, and what are the books required for that subject? Okay. So we'll not directly starting what exactly data structures are. Fine. So this is teaching scheme. So here is course in charge. Myself and Suchita Chavan madam will take your session. For I'm talking about the AIDS students. Some of the form A and B students also join, I guess. Okay. So yes, they can revise here, no problem. The course name is what? Fundamentals of data structures. That is course code is 210242. This is also very important. The course head, that is how many credits required for the subject. For theory, 3 credits, and for practical, 2 credits. That is term work plus practical. Okay. And theory exam patterns, now the pattern get changed. Previously, there will be the online examination plus offline examination. Means there is some MCQ based plus theory based. But now there will be the in-same 30 marks and in-same 70 marks. Okay. So this is a pattern for theory examination. And for practical exam pattern, that is term work 25 marks and practical having 50 marks. Okay. So I'm again quoting here. This is very, very fundamental and core subject. You should understand each and every part of that subject because it's very important for coding while you are facing any kind of technical interview. Okay. Fine. This is very important part. Next point will be the, yes, this is course dependency chart. What is meant by that? That is what exactly the prerequisite of our subject. ये subject clear करने के लिए कौन सी चीजें clear होनी जरूरी है, that I need to show here. Okay, so basically, first of all, our subject, this is a prerequisite of our subject, that is programming and principle solving. If this subject is taking in first year of AIDS, I don't know about first year what exactly subject is, but there will be some programming problem solving subject is a prerequisite of that subject. Why? Because you should know what is the basic fundamentals of that data structure. Okay, and the discrete mathematics also required. After that, these are what the next, we can say, fundamentals of data structure पे कौन depend है, that is data structure laboratory. Then system programming, operating system के लिए subject लगेगा. Then data analysis and algorithm. Then database management system. Okay, so for that purpose this subject is required. Okay, so this is the dependency of subject, we can say. Okay, what is a prerequisite, what basic knowledge you have for learning this subject. Okay, fine everyone, this point also you should clear properly. After that, this is what basically this is very important part, that is course. Before that, we have to focus on course objective here. Okay, so first of all, what is meant by course objective? What do you think about? Course means our subject. Why we are showing this part? Because you should know why we are learning this subject firstly. Okay, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव मीन्स what is the aim of our subject, क्या aim है इस subject के पीछे. Okay, and what about course objective? Course objective means what is the outcome of that subject. You should understand this field properly. Okay, so what are the course objective here? So first of all, you have to understand the basic techniques of algorithm analysis. Yes, you should clear the basic technique, how we are going to find out the algorithm analysis, how we are going to do this, how to calculate the time complexity, how to calculate the space complexity. This part you can understand here. Okay, and after that, to understand various algorithmic strategy to approach the problem solution. Yes, we will see in first unit what are the different algorithm strategy and how we are going to solve any kind of problem, whether it is real life problem, either our programmatic problem. Okay, so this is main core concept regarding first unit. So how to write the algorithm, how to write the pseudo code, what is exactly algorithm is, isn't it? That point we'll see. How to calculate the time complexity of any kind of problem. जो कोड दिया जाएगा उसको टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, दैट पॉइंट विल सी. फाइन. नेक्स्ट, टू अंडरस्टैंड द मेमोरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर वेरियस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट while you are studying the data structures properly, so that you can understand how exactly the memory management required. Okay, to understand various data searching and sorting method with pros and cons. So what are the different data searching and sorting method? We'll see thoroughly what exactly the searching and sorting methods in data structures, why it is required in daily routine. Okay, so we'll see that part also. Okay, then what exactly searching sorting will see, that is special unit given, that is 6 unit is given for it. Okay, then to acquaint with the structural constraint and advantage in usage of the data. Okay, so there will be some, you should apply some knowledge about how we are going to apply data structures there. Okay, some constraints are there. Right, to understand the standard and abstract data representation method. So the abstract data structure, that we'll see in detail what exactly abstract data structure is. There will be implementation part is hidden, and only we can say that will be some module is given, ready-made फंक्शन जो भी है वो हम लोग यूज करेंगे, उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट हाइड किया जाएगा. दैट इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, दैट विल सी इन डिटेल. ओके, देन टू आइडेंटिफाई द एप्रोप्रिएट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड एल्गोरिथम डिजाइन मेथड फॉर अ specific application. Yes, there will be some specified application, you should apply, identify what data structure is used for that. Okay, so this is the aim of our subject, we should understand it. So I hope everyone clear now. Fine. And the next one will be the, these are the course outcomes are. So what exactly the course outcome? Okay, outcome means what the student should gain from this subject. क्या आपने क्या करना है, गेन करना है, क्या नॉलेज आप लोगों ने adopt किया from this subject. Okay, this is the concept of course outcome is. Okay, so first of all, this is what it should be given in CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5, CO6. Okay, so these COs given by university. This is CO1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6 here. So here is what we have to use appropriate algorithmic strategy for better efficiency. So you should use, after clearing all the data structure, you can understand what kind of algorithm strategy for better efficiency of that problem solution. Okay, then CO2 will be the second course outcome, understand and implement the linear structures using Python language. So again here the Python language is introduced here. Okay, so that we'll see what exactly dealing with this. Okay, next one, implement and analyze various searching and sorting techniques. Okay, okay, so there will be some what we have to implement and analyze. After learning all the kind of concepts, you should understand how exactly we are dealing with. Okay, सो हम लोग वो देखने वाले हैं. बिफोर यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द आउटकम. अभी के फिलहाल में आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि दीज आर द 6 आउटकम इज गिवन बाय यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर अस. ओके, सो दीज आर द फर्स्ट वन, एवरीवन क्लियर, सेकंड वन क्लियर, थर्ड वन that is implementation and analyze. After completing that unit, you should definitely clear all the concept. Next one, implementation of linked list. Okay, so linked list, again one type of data structure, you can understand it properly. Okay, so what exactly the data structures are there, and what exactly the linked list, what is the difference between array and linked list, this point also we can focus upon. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this part very well. Okay, so till there is no any issues, right? I hope any doubt, dear student? कुछ भी डाउट होगा तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हो, देयर इज नो इशू. Okay, fine. So little bit you should understand what exactly the outcomes are. Okay, implement stack and its various operation. Again, it is very important data structure use, that is stack data structure. We'll focus on that, how the stack will work. Okay, then implementation of queue and its various applications. Okay, so implementation of queue also very important concept. Fine. Okay, so dear students, there will be some changes in CO here. Again, I will show you how exactly it is. Okay, so I hope everyone clear that concept till now. Okay, these are what outcomes that is given by university. Okay, fine. So basically, these are the course contents you can see here. First of all, what? Introduction to, yes, these are the 5 units given. See, if you are clicking this PDF, you can see the syllabus also, right? Here, what are the course content? Unit 1, that will be introduction to algorithm and data structures. After that, second unit will be the linear data structure using sequential organization, that is array data structure. Dear student, my question is that, do you heard about the data structure concept before? Yes or no? Those who have taken occasional subject or some computer subject in 12, they can tell this answer. Yes, have you seen? Yes, student, just give me the acknowledgement. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. So I hope everyone clear that the first one is we have to take introduction to algorithm and data structure. Second unit, that is linear data structure using sequential organization, that is array data structure. Then third one will be searching and sorting. You can see that logo. According to that logo, you can understand what exactly unit we have. Okay, first one will focus on algorithm. Second one is what? Array data structure. We'll see one by one in detail, no problem. Third one will be what? Searching and sorting technique. Fourth one, that is linked list. Okay, this is a logo, you can understand it. This is the stack data structure. How it will work, we'll see in next slide. And this is the queue data structure. The total 6 units we have. Okay, fine everyone. In between, you have to give the acknowledgement so that I can understand that you should clear all the points. Okay, fine. The next point will be what? These are the very important concept. These are the books required. So what are the books here? Yes, dear student, the first books, it is actually textbooks given, but I must say here, this it's not a textbooks, it is a more better than reference book. Horowitz and Sahani, Fundamentals of Data Structure in C++. It's very good book. सारा सिलेबस उसमें हमारा कवर होता है, जो आपको बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने होंगे. So you have to focus on this book also. Okay, that is Horowitz and Sahani book. And second book I am suggesting here, that is by Yashwant Kanekar, Fundamentals of Data Structure in C or C++. Okay, so this is again very good book. That is online book also available by Yashwant Kanekar. So you can refer this book also. Okay, these are the books are given for data structure. Again, that is Bresson Bradley. This book having some higher level language. So if you are understand the concept of this book, or Sahani, Fundamentals of Data Structure in C++, then you can refer this one also. Fundamentals of Algorithmic, Prentice Hall, India, Pearson Education. This is also very good book. Okay, so you can refer it also. So you should know what exactly the books required for our subject is. Okay, fine everyone. Okay, so basically we are going to start our data structure. Fine. Okay, this is what starting. Yes, I hope till everyone clear the concept. Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for acknowledgement. Fine. So now what exactly the data structure is? What do you think about? So a combination of data and structure. This is two concept is given. Data means what? Data can be anything. Data is raw material. Data, we can say that the everyone using the Facebook, right? Now the current, I think I'm too much old age person. Now recently students use the Instagram, right? Twitter, Instagram you are using. So there will be what the combination of data is, that we can say the video, audio, text, all kind of data is given. Means we can say that the combination of all data, that is structural data is given, non-structural data is given. Structural means data stored in one particular format. Non-structural means there will be the video, audio, images, all data we have stored. Okay, means you can imagine it in Instagram, Facebook, from third standard students to old age person having account. Okay, so can you imagine it, इतने सारे लोगों का डेटा उसमें stored है, everyone is uploading video, uploading images, giving comment on that, means वो data कैसे manage होगा? How we are going to manage this huge amount of data? Can you imagine it? So if you are taking the example of Facebook, there will be every day we are accessing the data, right? So every day millions of people uploading videos, audios, all kind of data. So how we are going to manage that data? Means data can be raw material. It is video, audio, all kind of data. So data structure means we are going to give one particular structure of that data. We are storing the data in particular manner so that we can access the data efficiently. So this is the concept of data structure. So I hope everyone clear what exactly data structure is. Data structure is a one way in that we are going to store the data so that we can easily access that data. इस ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर में स्टोर करना है कि डेटा हम लोग इजीली एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, उसमें ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, we can store the data into it, we can retrieve the data from it. Okay, so this is the concept of data structure is. Again, I will give you one example. Data, we can say the data data cannot be changed. For example, data same रहेगा. मतलब मैंने बोला 5 एलिमेंट्स आपको डिस्प्ले करने हैं, सो 5 एलिमेंट्स आप डिस्प्ले एरे से भी कर सकते हो, लिंक लिस्ट से भी कर सकते हो. देयर इज अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स आर देयर. डेटा इज सेम बट स्ट्रक्चर इज डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग, सपोज ऑफलाइन लेक्चर्स आर देयर. ओके, ऑफलाइन लेक्चर चल रहा है, आप लोग कॉलेज में आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू वेयर द यूनिफॉर्म. ओके, आप लोग रोज यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हो, ओनली थर्सडे यू आर वेयरिंग द सिविल ड्रेस. At that time data is same. Suppose I am taking the तेजस्वी स्टूडेंट. तेजस्वी स्टूडेंट रोज क्या कर रही है, यूनिफॉर्म पहन के आ रही है, बट थर्सडे शी इज वेयरिंग द डिफरेंट ड्रेस वी कैन से. सो देयर विल बी डेटा इज सेम बट स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी डिफरेंट. तो हम बोलते हैं हाँ आज बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, मीन्स व्हाट, डेटा सेम but the representation of data is what, different. So I hope everyone clear this part here. Okay, this is the concept of data structure is. So data structure having two part, primitive and non-primitive data structures. Okay, so primitive means these are the built-in data structures. Okay, so in that integer, then character, float, pointer, these are the built-in. Means there will be ready-made data types is given. Ready-made means what, integer required 2 bytes, floats required 4 bytes. So ये fixed है, हमें ready-made data structure सिर्फ use करना है. That's why it is called as primitive data structures. And we'll see non-primitive data structures. So what are the non-primitive? Means that is user-defined data structure. That is arrays, linked list, and files. Okay. Again, there will be two types, that is linear list and non-linear list. So linear में क्या आएगा, stack and queue, and non-linear में आएगा graph and tree. So we can see one by one what exactly the linear and non-linear data structures are there. So I hope everyone clear the concept. This is the basic concept, basic types of data structure. We'll see in detail what exactly it is. Okay. So I hope till everyone clear the concept. Yes, student. What exactly the array that you see in second lecture of data structure, and then what exactly linked lists are there, what is files, what is stack, queue, you can say. Okay, again there will be two part, linear and non-linear data structure. Fine everyone, it's clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, fine. So first of all, we focused on applications of linear data structure. Just see here. Okay, this is what the array data structure. Now in C and C++ session, I hope everyone clear that part. What exactly the array data structure? Okay, so can anybody tell me what exactly the array data structure? Yes, anybody from your side?